Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word pneumonia. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The patient was admitted to the hospital with a severe case of pneumonia. Pneumonia is an infection that causes inflammation in the air sacs of the lungs, leading to symptoms such as cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.